Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable lock screen notifications on Google Pixel phone. Although the lock screen notification is very sensitive, there are some of users want all notifications to appear when the phone is locked, so they can open the notification without having to pull down the status bar. And then, how to activate the lock screen notification on Google Pixel. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the settings on your phone. And then scroll down. Tap Display and Touch. Tap Lock Screen. Tap Privacy. There are several lock screen notification options here. If you want to display notifications when your phone is locked, tap Show All Notification Content. So when a notification comes in, for example a WhatsApp notification or other apps, it will be displayed on the lock screen. That's the tutorial on how to enable lock screen notifications on Google Pixel phone. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.